boys and girls, and welcome to Toys on the Go. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. And subscribe to the channel to see new videos every day. Hi again, boys and girls, and welcome to Toys on the Go. Today we're going to play with Tayo's activity bus, and we'll also open some surprise eggs from Peppa, the Avengers, the pets from the film The Secret Life of Pets, and Dory. Do you know your colours? Let's start. Red. Hi, Gani. Yellow. How are you, Lani? Green. Hi, Raji. Blue. It's Tayo. Let's see what surprise this egg from Pets has brought us, okay? Sweets. A sticker of Mel. The flyer with the surprises that could come out. And a Mel magnet has come out of ours. You can stick it on the fridge or on any other magnetic surface. Let's see what else Tayo's got. In number 1, the fire engine. In number 2, the digger. In number 3, the ambulance. In number 4, a green lorry. In number 5, the tow truck. In number 6, a green lorry. In number 7, a police car. In number 8, a red lorry. In number 9, a taxi. And in number 10, a bulldozer. Wow, how cool! Let's see what's inside Dory's surprise egg. There are lots of things here. Let's see what it is. A disc with pictures of Dory on it. A sticker of Dory. The flyer with the surprises that could come out. A biscuit. And this is the Dory disc, which you can turn round. Look! How fun! Let's see what else Tayo does. Ugh! He farted! What a farty pants! Look, here he's got some gears with pictures, spirals, and colours on them that you can turn round. Peppa surprise! Let's see what comes out of the pepper egg. This is chocolate. It comes with a little plastic spoon so you can eat it. And it also comes with lacasitos, which you can mix with the chocolate. Let's see what else there is here. The flyer with the surprises which could come out. Stickers with Peppa's friends on them. And some pieces to build a satellite with. Look, boys and girls! Here it's got different coloured buses, which you can move from one side to the other to learn to count. 1, 2, 3, or colours, red, yellow, green. Here you have to align all the objects which are the same type. For example, musical instruments, Now the numbers from 1 to 5. Letters as well. A, B, C, D, E. Shapes. Animals. And fruit. Let's open the Avengers surprise egg. I wonder what's going to come out. The flyer with the surprises. Sweets. And a Thor armband. How cool! That's all, boys and girls. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel to see more videos from Toys on the Go every day. Here there are some other videos you may like. Bye, boys and girls. See you in the next video.